Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SpringHill Suites Spokane Airport. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. SpringHill Suites Spokane Airport is located in Spokane, within 7.7 miles of Spokane Center and 6.2 miles of Knitting Factory. With a fitness center, the 3-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi. The property has a 24-hour front desk and a business center for guests. SkyRide is 6.5 miles from the hotel, while Riverfront Park is 6.7 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Spokane International Airport, a few steps from SpringHill Suites Spokane Airport. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.